GitHub is no longer just a code hosting platform. It is becoming a platform where developers and AI agents collaborate together. And this evolution is powered by something called Agent HQ. The idea of Agent HQ is announced as part of our universe, which happened in October 2025. In today's video, we are going to explore a major step in this journey, the integration of the third-party agents, especially Claude and Codex agents inside GitHub Copilot. As a GitHub Copilot user, you can now leverage multiple AI agents directly within the GitHub ecosystem without any additional licenses and without any extra governance configurations. With Agent HQ in action, GitHub is preparing the platform for something big, a multi-agent development environment, a space where different AI agents can collaborate with you and potentially with each other. Currently, we have two partner agents available as part of GitHub platform, Claude and Codex. And GitHub is expected to bring more agents from our partner ecosystem in the near future. In this video, I will show where the agents are available across github.com, how they appear inside your VS Code IDE, and how to trigger a Claude agent to generate a brand new Angular application based on a Figma design. This is not just a feature update. Instead, here GitHub is laying the foundation for AI-powered or agent-powered software development. Let us get into a quick demo on where this new feature is coming in picture. As part of agent mission control, when you select the task mode, that is the agent mode, you will get the different agent selection where you can see Claude and Codex coming as part of Copilot. Either you can select one of these or Copilot. If you are in a repository, on top of the repository, we have an agent panel where you will be able to view the different agents available. If you are going to an issue and try to assign, again, you have the option to select between Copilot, Codex or Claude. Moving to our ID, VS Code. As part of Copilot chat, we have the option to select type of agent. We selected Claude and we have the different options. Go for either Copilot or Codex or Claude. For Copilot, we have the option for model selection. For Codex and Claude, yet to come this model selection window. Now moving to the configuration requirement. As an organization administrator, you can configure these agents under your settings, coding agent under the Copilot section. Either allow both the agents or you can disable the agents. This is again control at an enterprise level. If you feel you want to control at an enterprise level, you can do that. Let us quickly move to an example where we have a Casa Vibe enterprise repository with one issue for creating the home screen. The home screen design is available as part of our Figma design. The beautiful design is here. We are going to use this design as part of our issue. We already configured the Figma MCP server for this particular repository. Now assigning this issue to Claude. Normally we assign to Copilot. Today let us go ahead and assign to Claude to understand how Claude is able to complete this task. This will create a work in progress PR and you will be able to see the PR in a fraction of seconds. Claude completed the PR generation. If you navigate to the PR, the initial description of the PR is the original prompt. Either the issue you have assigned or if you are directly passing some prompt, that will appear as part of the original prompt. If you want to track the work of the Claude or the agent, you have an agent tab as part of your repository. Just navigate to the agent tab where you will be able to see the thought process of the agent, how it's executing this entire implementation. As part of Claude or Codex, we don't have a steering option right now, but for the Copilot, you can steer or intervene in between the session as well. Claude is working on our work PR, and let us move back to our PR and see what exactly happening. In the PR, they already identified the kind of task or to-do list and listed down each of them. And you will get a progress information whether it's completed or not. Now Claude completed the implementation. Let me just try to start this application from the VS Code and test it out. The Angular application is launched in 4200. And you can observe that it's exactly replicated our home screen design as part of the Figma design. Both meet the expectations in terms of the header, different sections, images, the alignment of each of these small icons. If you look at the PR, there are 66 files changed over 11 minutes time. And the complete implementation is aligned to the standards, like a reusable components are defined instead of going ahead and defining a single home component. Claude understand the need in detail and came up with a proper design. What we saw today is more than just adding Claude or Codex to Copilot. This is GitHub transforming into an agent-ready platform. With Agent HQ, GitHub is building an ecosystem where developers don't just use AI, they collaborate with multiple specialized AI agents. And the most exciting part is, as a Copilot user, you get access to these agents without additional licensing or governance complexity. We explored the agent availability across github.com, the integration of these third-party agents inside the IDE, and a real-world example of using Claude for building an Angular application. Today, it is Claude and Codex. Tomorrow, it could be a broader ecosystem of domain-specific agents working alongside you. The future of development is not just AI-assisted coding, it is multi-agent collaboration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechRill. And let me know in the comments which agent you explore more and how you feel this integration. See you in the next video.